Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Washos mobile app works and whether it's worth using for car wash and detailing services right at your location. Washos is an on-demand mobile car care app available in cities like Los Angeles, Orange County, and San Diego. It lets users book exterior washes, interior detailing, wax treatments, and even ceramic coatings. Appointments can be scheduled for home or office, with same-day availability in many areas. The pros include strong convenience, licensed and insured professionals, and a wide range of car care services. The app also features clear pricing, loyalty rewards, and a simple booking system. Many users find the service reliable and easy to use. However, there are some downsides. Prices can vary depending on the type of vehicle and level of service. Some users have reported rushed jobs or inconsistent service quality. There are also occasional app bugs and slow responses from customer support, especially for refunds or changes. Overall, Washos is a convenient choice for mobile car cleaning, but users should be aware of the pricing structure and potential service variability. If you've tried Washos, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to the description for the email.